Welcome back to our San Francisco walking tour. In part 2, we're heading into the heart of the city to discover the vibrant neighborhoods and winding streets that make this place so unique. Our first stop is the world-famous Lombard Street. Known as the crookedest street in the world, its red brick curves are lined with beautiful hydrangeas and elegant homes. Designed in 1922 to reduce the 27% grade of the hill, it's now one of the city's most iconic and photographed landmarks. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We descend into North Beach, San Francisco's Little Italy. This neighborhood was the center of the Beat generation and remains a hub for coffee, culture, and incredible food. In the center of it all is Washington Square Park, anchored by the stunning Saints Peter and Paul Church, a place where locals come to relax and enjoy the city's spirit. Just a few blocks away, we enter another world through the Dragon's Gate. San Francisco's Chinatown is the oldest in North America and one of the largest outside of Asia. The streets here are a feast for the senses, filled with vibrant colors, unique architecture, and the bustling energy of traditional markets. In a quiet alleyway, you'll find the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory, where cookies have been hand-folded with care since 1962. Portsmouth Square, often called the living room of Chinatown, is the historic site where the discovery of gold was first announced. Next, we climb to Nob Hill, once the home of the city's Big Four railroad tycoons, and still a symbol of San Francisco's historic wealth. Dominating the hilltop is Grace Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic design, known for its stunning Ghiberti, Gates of Paradise, and peaceful labyrinth. Riding the California Street cable car is a quintessential San Francisco experience, offering some of the most dramatic views in the city. We descend into Union Square, the city's premier shopping and theater district, where energy and elegance meet. The square is a bustling crossroads, a place of history and modern style, centered around the soaring Dewey Monument. Nearby, the quiet, pedestrian-only Maiden Lane offers a peaceful sanctuary with its exclusive boutiques and hidden architectural gems. We finish our urban exploration at Yerba Buena Gardens, a beautiful green space that blends art, nature, and community in the heart of the Soma district. We've explored the heart of the city, but part 3 will take us to the storied hills and colorful neighborhoods of the West Side. Don't miss it. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.